So what's up guys, so today's topic we will be changing oil filter, spark plug, and oil of Honda City 2006. This DIY is also similar to 2003 to 2008 Honda City or Honda Jazz. So these are the tools we will be needing: tissue, oil filter removal, small pliers, gloves, small ratchet, 10 mm socket, big ratchet, extender, spark plug socket, 17 mm socket, oil filter, spark plug, and oil catcher. Make sure the engine is cool before performing any DIYs to avoid destroying the threads of the screw in the engine. First, we will be open this cup for smooth. We open the cup like this so the oil will drain smoothly. We will be using 17 mm. Now the screw is loose. We will be needing this bucket to catch the oil. Now that it is fully drained, we will just clean the outer part. Just hand tight. There. Not not too tight, just like that. That will be good. The last time I replaced this, I only hand tight this, so I assume I can remove this by hand. And before removing this, make sure the bucket is under, so the oil will. In case you are having a hard time removing your oil filter, this tool may help you.
All you have to do is to do this inside. Then it's like, yeah, there. Let's remove it now.
Before installing this, we need to put oil on the rubber.
Yeah, just like that.
Make sure to clean before you installing your new filter. Just hand tight. Hand tight is good. This hole here is the full, and the other hole, this one, is the minimum. So it is now full. We will be removing this cover for better view. Lock. To remove this, you need to push this then pull. Pliers to remove this. To remove this, we need to pull this up and just like that. Since this is removed already and the other end is removed, we can push this and do this, so we have a better view for the spark plugs. For the coils, we will be needing 10 mm to remove this coil. We will be using this to remove spark plug, ratchet, extender, spark plug socket. Just in case your socket doesn't have magnet and keeps falling, you just need masking tape, just like this, and flip it up, and you're good to go. So the spark plug won't fall. So this is the new one, and this one is the old one. We will be installing the new spark plug. This is just hand tight, as you can see. Just use 2 fingers and wait until there it snugs. This one, it is now snug. So when it is snug, just a little bit more, just like that. Just hand tight. There. Second spark plug installation. There, just hand tight until you can. When it's snug, on hand tight, snug, we will use this ratchet. Here, from snug on hand, we will use 2 fingers. Okay, 2, okay. There, it is snug. When it is snug, use 4 fingers. This is the snugging part, snug. Okay, just a little bit more, so it's going to lock. There.
10 mm.
After changing spark plug, oil filter, and oil, let's start the car. Turn it on. Look for unusual LED lights or warning lights. So the engine light is turned off. Then turn it on. Look for unusual. The oil light turned off. We have successfully installed spark plug, oil filter, and change oil. That's today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.